As a busy day in the Pir Vadhai bus terminal fades into evening, the sound of the equally busy night trade can be heard. These gentle sounds indicate that young boys are ready for their first clients of the night. Under the cover of semi-darkness, other children move about stealthily, collecting scrap metal, used oil, or anything else to recycle. When their sacks are full, they might go home for a few hours of sleep or look for a safe corner to rest until dawn. For others, work just continues. From gambling, drug and human trafficking, smuggling to prostitution, child labor and child abuse, Pir Vadhai is a hub of criminal activity.
We have so many problems. We can't be bothered with school. What use do I have for school? There are 11 people in my family. When my father says, bring me to 50 rupees, I have no choice. I must work.
The Manzil Drop-In Center, established by World Vision in 2008, targets children who work in and around Pir Vadhai. Manzil, which means destination or aim in the Urdu language, offers the sessions on health and hygiene, classroom learning, counseling, and recreational time. Each activity is designed to give children the tools and opportunities to forge a new future. It's a humble beginning, but for the 350 children engaged at the center and the many more who want to join, it is a beginning, the beginning of a different life. These children are not used to anyone paying attention to their needs or their rights, and that in itself gives them a new perspective on their own self-worth. English teacher Sumaya Rani, 24, holds her young audience captive as they recite parts of the body. The atmosphere in English and math class is calm and inviting, in contrast to the frenetic pace outside. Manzil offers children a respite, an opportunity to relax, to fear less and trust more. But this sense of structure and calm didn't happen overnight. Children's psychosocial well-being is central to activities in Manzil. Sana Mukhtar, the clinical psychologist, challenges children to express their feelings, think positively about themselves, and witness a different form of behavior.
There is no one they can share their fears, their dreams with. Children want someone they can talk to, someone they can trust. Here, the children don't have to be worried about being beaten. They are free to talk, to share. Here, they are free to be individuals.
Each child enrolled helps to change their world, yet bureaucracy, poverty and ignorance conspire to prevent children's access to schooling and meaningful employment. Thousands are at risk of spending the rest of their lives trapped in fear and misery.
Yeah.